Nung bata ka pa, naisip mo bang darating araw magiging calendar
Siyempre
girl ka?
hindi ko nga alam nung bata ko may ganun pala. Dapat may nagpo-post pala sa kalendaryo. Dati kasi sa sa homeroom namin, calendar lang, walang katabi na babae. Pero I'm so honored, truly. Kidding aside, I'm so honored. I think it's such a I'm very flattered to have been chosen to be the face of Tanduay for 2024. Aside from, syempre, kinabahan ako. At the end of the day, I'm really grateful.
Nung natanggap mo yung offer, gaano katagal ka nag-isip?
Ilang dasal ang tanong dyan. I'm kidding. You know what? I think when I got the news, it was more of it felt like a challenge and an exciting opportunity that I knew I wanted to do. It was more of sitting down with my family and then also my loved ones and my friends and then telling about the news. And then when I felt that everybody was excited and everybody was supportive, doon ako nagkaroon ng confidence talaga to do it. Syempre, diba? You need your support system to do something as daring as this. So.
Thank you. Okay na.
Nakakatawa yung hashtag. There's what?